Holy cow, look at that velocity.
Coming right at us, guys. Tornado on the ground, I gotta call him.
Tornado number 14. Look at that.
I'm just
gonna be a big dirty one. Woo! Holy smokes!
Don't worry about me.
Will not. There it is.
What you
Holy
doing?
cow. Sorry. Look at that.
Why is it not going?
Look at the velocities. Vortices on the ground.
Should we get over there?
Yeah, in a second. Yeah.
Yes, I just want to report there's a tornado on the ground to the northeast of Fort Morgan right now. Tornado on the ground.
Northwest of Brush.
It is probably about 4 miles to the north and east of Fort Morgan right now. It's due west of Snyder. Due west of Snyder by about 6 miles.